Our project name is Mutual Fund Predictive Analysis. We are trying to predict top performing mutual funds for short-term and long-term investment. For this analysis, we collected data from Morningstar website and Yahoo Finance. The parameters used for this analysis include R-squared, return, alpha, beta, Sharpe ratio, and standard deviation. We used random forest classifier, linear regression, and cross-validation technique to predict top-performing mutual fund for short-term and long-term investment. Based on our analysis, we predicted top-performing mutual fund for 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years investment. Then we plotted graph of risk versus return so that one can select a fund giving maximum returns with lesser risk. To show how the fund portfolio will look like if a person invests in the top-performing funds predicted by our analysis, we selected 5 funds from the top performing funds, and we plotted the graph of cumulative returns so that one can visualize how the portfolio will look like. We also provided interactive D3 visualization so a user can see NAV values of past 10 years for a top performing mutual fund. We applied linear regression technique to predict a poor performing mutual fund. An investor should not invest in these funds. An important relationship which we found during our analysis is the relationship between expense ratio and return for top performing fund. We found that the fund with lesser expense ratio give more returns in case of 3 years and 5-year investment, whereas a fund with more expense ratio give more returns in case of 10-year investment. So to summarize, we used random forest classifier, linear regression, and cross-validation technique to predict top-performing fund for long-term and short-term investment. Based on our analysis, we predicted 79 funds good for 3 years investment, 61 funds good for 5-year investment, and 12 funds good for 10-year investments. Thank you.